Yeah. Hope you guys can see because I can't. Every time I'm thinking that, the video looks good. Fell over there. We're gonna go end up going back and forth. So I can't run up and run down. Buick GS. And we got wind out here, and we're in a parking lot. It is hot, hot, hot today. It is hot, hot, hot today. New Camaro. Some air cleaners on it. Mustang. Chevy. Big block. AC. Guy's got everything he needs in that one. Blazer, two-wheel drive Blazer. I've seen this the other day, but we didn't see it. Supercharged.
Walk over by the car, get me water, I'll come with you.
Okay, buddy, I'll catch up. Square body over here. '70 Caddy. I don't know what motor's in there. 472 or 500, I'm not sure. Is that 250? Well, Ken, there's your S10. Small block, aluminum headed. GM performance, everything it looks like. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. MSC, no HC. That's a killer for me these days. Look at this Camaro rolling, Z28. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Split bumper, there you go. Hell yeah, buddy. Gives a head nod. There we go. What do we got here? Oh, look at that. Woo. C10. I don't know if I'm crazy about those big wheels. Mustang. Take a look at this, huh? Ram free. Pontiac's strong this year. 74, same thing we got. Console same, seats same. This one's in nice shape. Looks like he's got tap dash instead of a clock. That's pretty sweet. There it is, man. Look, that's what the hood looks like when it's not rusted out. Pretty cool. Camaro, big block, 4-speed, got the man pedal in this one. Look at that thing. 396 it says on the fender. Who knows? Definitely big block. We like big blocks. We like big blocks. Heck yeah. Ranchero with a Cobra jet shaker. And a hood tap. Never seen one. Money SS. Well. Oh yeah. Camino. Just looking car. Jetstar 88. 310 rolling out. Well, big block. 326 for moms, it says. AC, there you go. Pretty sweet looking Corvette. I haven't seen any of the YouTube people I wanted to catch up with. Keep getting on the road too late, I think. Square. Small block, you see? Look at this thing. Heck yeah. Chrysler Firepower. Hemi. I think that's a 352, 92, 392 I think. And the Chevy. I like it. Different. So that makes everybody mad. And it's got fuel tech, FI tech, whatever it is. Fuel injection. Monty over here. Nice bumper on that thing. Even another Monty. Get two Monty. That Monty's got something good under the hood. See that? Yeah. What's that little exhaust pipe doing? What's that huge one doing? It's hiding under there. Turbo LS, we knew that. 6 liter? 5.3? What size turbo?
76.
78, 75? Oh, 76?
Yeah, 76. I don't.
Kind of a sloppy build?
It's alright. It runs pretty good. But yeah, it's got still one wheel peel and stuff in the back. They run pretty good.
It's good. That means you can do burnouts longer.
Yeah, it'll do some.
Overdrive
As long
burnouts.
as people just see this side of the car, it looks badass. And then you look at the YouTube.
That's cool. Nice to meet you guys. Monty, 78, 75, 5.3. I like it, man. One legger, he can do burnouts whenever he wants. It's a cool car. Look at this Volkswagen. This Volkswagen is pretty trick. Bagged. LS. Twin turbo. I mean, come on. I don't know that I would want to ride in there for all those miles, but man, that thing is cool. The shade tree. I don't know where the radiator is. It must be, I don't know where they mounted the radiator. Radiator must be on the back somewhere. Awesome. Got 317 heads on it, so it's probably a 6.0. Oh, I see fans up in there. There's fans in that back window, so that's where the radiator is. That thing's pretty wild, isn't it?
This thing is so sweet.
I don't know that I would want to ride in there for all these miles, but it's cool.
Dude.
There's no doubt about that thing. It's not, I mean, that's got the cool factor down pat.
Yes, it does.
Yes, definitely.
100% ride in that
Yeah, I would, but not for like 1,500 miles. A couple hundred, maybe.
Yeah.
School bus. We've seen these guys last year. 5.9 Cummins in this 12 valve. I forget what their name was. We subscribed to them. They have a YouTube channel. I don't remember what it was. AC 55. I like it. I like it. It's so much easier than holding my phone. We just ran into my buddy George. And I'm waiting on a call back for us. Got a nice looking square body, maybe a Survivor. I don't know. Trans Am back there. Square bodies everywhere, huh? Man, there's a lot of Pontiacs, man. They're coming back strong. Pontiac's coming back strong. Nobody can afford anything else, so they're going after the Pontiacs now.
They're digging about it.
That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is, man. Because a Pontiac Grand Prix is a hell of a lot cheaper than a 69 Camaro. Or
I like a Grand Prix better, I think.
Chevy too, you know? Yeah, I like to be a little bit different. I mean, you know, hey, why not? I like my Camaros, don't get me wrong. I'm not bashing on anybody. Did you walk the whole thing yet?
Yeah.
You did. We took a while to get going. Twice. Ooh. Look at this.
Still looking for D&D Speed Shop.
I haven't found Pole Barn Garage. I haven't seen nobody. They were all on Route 66 today.
Yeah.
They were all stopped at the stupid thing, man.
Larry went too. He said they had music out there.
On
bands,
66?
Food and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, we skipped it all. And this is 70 Cougar Eliminator. Is it a real Eliminator? Clone. Real?
It's an XR7.
It's an
I don't
XR7.
even call it a clone.
Okay, fair enough. Those are Eliminator stripes, right? Or no?
Eliminator stripes, yeah.
Okay.
So the original plan was
Yeah.
I visioned it as an XR7 Sport.
There we go.
So has the XR7 on there.
Yep. Okay, I didn't see it. The hood
The
was
painter
up.
was supposed to put XR7 on the side.
Back, okay.
It's-
Did this have the
where it's
emblem
at- where
on
it's
the
at-
sail panel? Or was it 69 only? The XR7 emblem that's on the right behind the back window, they had a chrome emblem? My 69s had it. I don't know if 70
no,
did.
70 did not.
Okay.
No. But where they said normally says Eliminator, I wanted him to put XR7
Okay.
on both sides.
So a little different.
So he got impatient but painted it. So I was like,
Cleveland?
no, it's a small block 427. Originally came with Cleveland.
What's a small block 427? Windsor based?
Yeah, Windsor based. It's a Ford
Okay,
racing
so it's
crate engine.
okay.
That's 535 horse.
Yeah, when you, oh, okay, I see the narrow cover now. Dang,
535
son,
horse,
really?
5-speed, 389 traction.
5-speed. This guy's got
all.
all the good shit in this car. AC, he's got it made. Good car, buddy. Excellent car. I like the story. Now my channel's a sucker for the story, so you'll be on YouTube. We like a good story. Nice inside too. Uncracked dashboard even. That's like one in a million, dude.
It does have a new splitter.
You hear the speaker?
I just seen it.
Dude, that's so no.
But the one screw did come loose because the dash is coming
Yeah, that's all right.
This,
It's
this
on.
screw here came loose on me.
Usually those things are split open like the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
Nice car, bud. Nice car.
The headliner's original.
Headline is original. It says, let's look at it. We're gonna look at it.
So
Can we
the
see
door
it?
panel.
There it is. And door panels.
Yep. The seats got redone, the straps.
XR7, so it's got a tack dash.
Yeah, XR7.
It has, yeah, it had tack dash, clock, all the courtesy lights, which are those 4 buttons. Most of them don't have that. And the dash is totally different. In a non-XR7, it's just 4 circles.
Are you from Boston?
Yes, I grew up somewhat in Boston, but mostly, let me stop this.
I lived in.
All right. Get the
You
sale
want,
sign.
you want the cool story behind this one?
Yes. Let's go quick.
So-
Tell me the story.
But I'll shut up.
18 months ago, the guy who helped me rebuild this in 2018,
Okay.
right? He was going to drive his Hell Camino.
Okay.
Yeah, like 79,
Okay.
408. And his wife divorced him,
Oh,
so he
go,
couldn't
oh,
go,
no.
and they sold out.
Okay.
And then she sold the car out from underneath him,
Okay.
so he's driving it this year.
Oh, okay.
So
All right. So there
it's
we go.
meeting its destination.
Okay. And what's the car now? So it's a 72,
It's a 70
70.
Ranchero.
Ranchero.
302. Originally a 3-speed. It's a 4-speed now.
Manual.
It's rare because it's
Okay.
because it's a bench seat.
Okay.
According to Motor Report, it's more rare because it's all those options and the power steering.
Not factory hood. Factory hood.
I don't know.
Okay. Because
I
I've
don't
never.
know what the
I know
original
the
is.
like the scoop or whatever.
Yeah, no, the Trinos came with them, and these are just.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. Yeah, I don't know how they were optioned out.
It's the bench seat. that-
This thing's for sale, man. It's famous on YouTube. You should buy this thing, man. This thing is sweet. 4-speed. It's got a man pedal in it. Look, it's got a man pedal in it. You got to have a man pedal,
I know.
right?
He's living out of it right now.
It's pretty good. It doesn't matter. We're all living out of them right now. Look at this. Here's the number. 27K. Best offer. There's the number. And they're a long hauler.
There's Motor Report.
And there's a MATA report for it. It breaks it right down to the knobs on the stereo. It is manual brake, Manual brake, disc, manual disc, power steering,
Put disc in it.
has a fan shroud, has the right radiator, voltage regulator, it's all correct. Good car, even hood pins, can't go wrong. There it is.
Except it does have a 71 grill.
Has a 71 grill.
Because somebody will say something, trust me.
Okay, we don't know. Well, hopefully they do. I want them to argue in the comments. Tell me everything you think that whatever this car is. Tell me. I want to know. We got a caddy here. He's been. We've seen him, I think, the other day. We've seen him the other day. We're going to stop recording for a minute so we can talk to Selena. See where we're going.